everybody, Sandy here. I'm going to do a quick painting today. Greg just went on for a motorcycle ride, so I figured I'd come in here and do a quick painting. Quick, while he's not looking, let's paint. Okay, I have the white acrylic paint down here. I'm just going to torch it quickly, get some of the bubbles out, because I did just have to mix it. And I see a couple lumps here. I don't know what's going on here. Let's wipe those out of there. Another good reason to torch ahead of time is you find your little lumps, which occasionally happens because you're mixing your paints in your bottles constantly. It does sometimes have a little bit of a dry top to it if you don't seal it properly, which unfortunately I'm known to do that. So this is a 10 by 20 canvas we're going to work on today, and I bought myself a new comb at the dollar store today, so I figured I would just do a quick comb swipe. That seems to be really popular with everybody as well, and I personally like it. One thing I haven't told you about too is when I have all the drippings on the table from some of my paintings I make fridge magnets. So my painting from last video had several colors down, so this is actually just a magnet that's taped at the back so I can grab onto it and dipped it into the paint. They're drying right now. This is what it looks like before I dip. It's just a regular dollar store magnet. Actually, I have a tray behind me here. Just grab that and show you. There's some of them that are already dry from previous paintings, and that's what they look like when you get them from the dollar store. Just put a little bit of tape on the back, you're able to grab a hold of them and dip them in your paint drippings. There we go. There's a little interesting tip for you. All right, let's do Brilliant Blue. I'm just going to do a couple of puddles. Then I'm going to run the comb through it and tilt my painting and make a big mess. So I want to do one here, and probably one here. That looks pretty even. Then I'm going to do some deep turquoise. Each of the puddles. There we go. Then I'm going to want to probably do, I want to do two of the neon colors, so I'm thinking the green and the yellow. I think I want to have some white in the middle. Actually, take it from my stuff I just mixed. Let's put some white in the center there, maybe a little bit more. It doesn't matter if it goes right in the center of your puddle or not, because you're going to run a comb through it. It's going to swirl all up into different directions anyhow. Then I'm going to do some lime, neon green I should say, not lime green. There we go. Boy, today's weather ended up turning out to be quite nice. It was rainy earlier today, but now it's trying to get to be more like a May long weekend, right? Okay, so then we're going to do some neon yellow. There we go. I'm going to put a little bit more white in. Whoop, drop my cap in it. I'll have to clean that one off after. Take it from the cup. So I still got lots of paint in there. Probably have to fill up another bottle of white just from everything I've pre-mixed. Can never be too ready though. All right, now I think I want a little bit more of this Brilliant Blue. I think that's awesome. Okay. Now I think I'm going to take my comb and go in this direction. I usually go this way, but I think I want to go this way. We'll see what happens. I'm just going to go from the middle, drag it over, and go this way. And this one. Now that I'm looking at it, I might want to go the other way as well. What do you think? Should I try it? Why not, right? I'm just going to go right down the middle. This way. This way. I think this could be interesting. Let's see what happens. Interesting pattern on there right now. Now, do I have enough paint on here to do the whole canvas? That'll be the question. Definitely a slow moving paint happening here though. Maybe I made my white a little bit too thick. We'll see. Take it to the end. Drip off there a bit. We'll go this way now. Sorry, you got the back of the canvas. It's definitely slow moving. But as I always say, I gotta have patience. Really pretty colors. Just about to the bottom here, starting to drip. Okay, I'll go back this way. Sorry, I was out of camera frame totally. How can you tell I'm new at doing this? I forget there's even a camera there sometimes. Okay, where else do I want to add some down here? Very cool design in it. Now this neon had a little bit of silicone from the last painting I did, so I'm definitely going to give it a little torch and see if any cells come up. Just want it to move a little bit more down to that corner. Just about there. I love these abstract paintings because they can go in any direction and it just makes you really look at it and say, what's in there? Awesome! A little bit more movement down there. I see a spot that needs some paint. Did I get it? Just about. Yep, there I got it. Perfect. Okay, let me wipe my hand off quickly here. I'll give it a torch. See if we got any cells happening. Let's see if we can get any. Oh yes. Wow, lots of cells in that one. Okay, I'm just going to lift it and hopefully you can pick up all those cells that are happening. This is going to look really cool when it dries. There we go. There's my 10-minute painting of the day. Might have been 15, we'll see, but this is awesome. Thanks very much for watching.